Hey guys! Today I'm going to be telling you the 6 categories of Balisong tricks. And so practically every Balisong trick lands in these 6 categories. There might be more than 6. Let me know in the comments if you can think of another one. I consulted a bunch of people to try and get the answer to how many I could find, so I could only find 6. The 6 categories are rollovers, ladders, aerials, chaplins, fanning, and twirling. Okay guys, so with each category, I'm going to name a bunch of tricks from my channel, okay? There's other tricks that exist out there, obviously, but I'm going to be naming tricks from my channel that fit in the category. And it's not going to be all the tricks from my channel, it's going to be most of them. And it's going to be a range of beginner to advanced tricks, just so you know the categories. And I'll show you a demonstration of most of them, but not all of them, because that would take forever. To start us off, the first category is rollovers, which are my favorite type of trick. So all the tricks that I could think of from my channel that fit under this are the Zen, Whip, and Index rollovers, the Y2K, the Y3K, the Helix, the Blender, the Orbit, the cherry picker, the behind the 8 ball, the reverse behind the 8 ball, and the Helix aerial, which fits into both aerials and this. So to demonstrate some of them, here is the Zen rollover, here is the Y2K, here's the Index rollover, here's the Orbit, here's the behind the 8 ball, here's the Helix, here's the Blender. That's 4 rollovers in one, by the way. And here is behind the 8 ball into the Whip rollover. Okay, so the next category is ladders. So this includes the twirl ladder, the infinity ladder, the step ladder, the kiss goodbye, the Murnax ladder, the around the world, shortstop, and scissoring. And I would say scissoring belongs to the ladder category and the aerial category. So out of all those, my favorite is the twirl ladder. It looks like this. Another good one is the infinity ladder. You can do it as many times as you want, so I'm just going to show you that. And then scissoring looks something like this. And you could continue going and doing that a bunch. The next category is aerials. So there's the basic aerial, the ice pick parabolic, the reverse grip aerial, executioner's catch, scissoring, helix aerial, and wrist bump. So I'll show you a couple of these. So the basic aerial is like that. The ice pick parabolic looks like that. The helix aerial looks something like this. And then the wrist bump is like a helix aerial where you just bump it like that and finish the trick. Okay, so the next category is chaplins. So chaplins are basically, they could be around any finger and they can be upright, they could be vertical, or they could be zero gravity. So the ones I'm going to name on my channel are the Index Chaplin, the OG Chaplin, the Vertical Index Chaplin, the Thumb Chaplin, and the Pinkie Chaplin. So there's the Index Chaplin, there's the 0G Chaplin, right? Then there's a Thumb Chaplin, and then there's the Vertical Index Chaplin. And then, I mean, I could do it with every finger. And then there's the Pinkie Chaplin. So many chaplins. Okay, so we're moving on to fanning. Fanning is also my second favorite category. I use fanning in everything. So there's the regular fan, the fan flourish, the palm fan, the backhand fan, and the choker fan. And there's a two-handed fan like this, I'd say. I like that one too. So regular fanning looks like this. It could go on forever. The fan flourish looks like this. Just a little flourish of the fan. And then there's the palm fan. The palm fan looks like that. Like that. And then the backhand fan looks like that. And then the choker fan looks like this. Okay, last category is category 6, which is twirling. There's the basic twirl, the gambler's dagger, the pen twirl, and the full twirl. The basic twirl looks like this. It's one of the first tricks I teach people. The pen twirl is a trick I made myself. It looks like that. And then the full twirl looks like that. It's like half of a twirl ladder. Also, thanks so much to all my Patreons for helping me and supporting me. By the way, the next giveaway will be of the Wave, which is my new knife. And in that giveaway, my Patreons are going to get a big benefit and a bunch more votes. So if you become a Patreon now, it's a good thing for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them. Or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here, and I will make sure to answer you within 2 to 3 weeks.